Hey, SIR Warrior Loft here. Yeah, take a look at that. Let we talk. That right there is made it to her. That's a red bar. Chocolate bar. She's made it to him. Right here, dude, he's 2 years old. All right, that's one of my babies right here. Take a look at him. All of these are up for grabs. Tomorrow I'll be posting some saddlebacks. It's that time, y'all. SIR Warrior Loft, 212-951-1623. Some of our babies. 3 babies, 1 adult. It's a 2020. I'm sorry, y'all, him. 2020. Take a look at him. Yes. Then you got these 3 right here. These are all young ones. That right there, they're paired off. All right, let me know what's happening. And they throw back white bars. Peace and love and God bless. 212-951-1623. Looking to be rehomed. Definitely looking to be rehomed. Okay? No questions on Facebook. You'll have the number. Please feel free and give us a call. Thank you and God bless.